Okay, so in last session we configured a simple domain. We saw the directory structure and all for WebLogic domain, like how it is configured, how we can install the domain, how to configure an admin server, how to install WebLogic as well. So I will be assigning some assignments as well for like so that you can practice more on the WebLogic stuff. So I guess you have already installed WebLogic, right?
Me, yeah, I did.
Okay, so
Yes, I did too.
and that was
Yes,
Sahadev.
I did too.
Okay,
I mean,
great.
Yeah, I did too.
So and on which operating systems you guys have installed those? So Binod is on Ubuntu, I know.
Yeah.
I have both Ubuntu and then Windows.
Okay, and
I tried to install on MacBook too, but it says some space problem, though I have a lot of space left.
Okay. So we have already like cleared the first step. So you guys already have like installed the WebLogic, which is
So,
quite
okay,
simple
I have a
process.
question. I installed in a development mode and I changed it to production mode as you showed us in the last class.
Yeah.
And then I tried to change it to the development mode, but we cannot change it back to development mode, right? After we change it to production mode.
You can change it from actually you will need to go into the configuration and then you will
Oh,
change it.
okay. No, not from the console though, right?
Yeah, from console it will not. Like in console, you can only change from dev to production, not opposite. Okay, so we were like talking about admin server and managed servers last night. So let me just give a brief idea about the managed servers. Then we will create the managed servers on the domains which we have created. So basically, your administration server we created and it is used to manage your environment, and each in managed server is independent of all other managed servers in the domain. You can have as many servers in a domain you need, which is only limited by the amount of physical memory you have in your server. And why we need additional managed servers? To add more capacity to cater to the more load for the application. So how admin server and managed server interaction happens and why that is necessary? All the changes which you perform are performed through your administration console. What happens is whenever you make any change in your from WebLogic console, it stores all the changes in the domain configuration. So it stores all the configuration changes which you are making or which you made earlier are stored in the domain configuration file, which is yours config.xml.
Anuj,
Yeah.
are you sharing the screen or not? That I'm not seeing the screen, you know.
Okay. I clicked on it. Might have stopped for some reason. Is it visible now?
Okay, I got it. Yeah, thank you.
Okay. So whatever changes you are making in admin server, that is stored in your master repository or master configuration, which is present inside your domain. Okay. When you go into domain and config directory, there you can see all the configuration file for your domain, which contains the configuration information for the domain. So that includes all the configuration, whatever managed servers you have created, that detail is also present inside that master configuration. Okay. So admin server is storing that domain configuration in the domain, And each managed server also stores a local copy of its configuration. And why it would do so? Just in case your admin server is not available, then your managed server can read its local copy instead of the original copy from the admin server. So that's why each managed server also stores a local copy of the configuration. And whenever you restart a managed server, it connects to the administration server. It looks for any new changes, if any new change to be performed or any new ER file to be installed from admin server. So it's basically synchronizes the configuration between admin server and managed server. And whenever you make any change in the administration server, suppose you change a port or you change a name for any resource, then the administration server sends the whatever change you make to the managed server, so they can update their local configuration inside their cache. So this admin server managed server interaction is clear, or any queries in this? Because like it's a good concept if you like know how admin server and managed server interact with each other. So that will like you will be able to understand why we have like need to run the admin server always, so that we can make change and all the changes are in sync, and you will be able to understand managed server independence mode as well if we are clear with this concept. Okay. This we will check later. So how we can configure a managed server using admin console? So in console, after lock and edit, you need to create new managed server and need to provide following details: server name, whatever the name you provide for the server, listen address, which is usually the local address you have, and the whatever port you want to provide for normal operations, and you can also provide the SSL listen port if you want to set up security. Okay, and so let's try to add one managed server in our test domain which we created. Inside user project domain, train domain we created. You need to go into the bin file and start the WebLogic.
So in Windows, you gotta start WebLogic like that. You gotta go inside the file and then click that.
Right.
Because since I don't have a Windows, I'm working on a Ubuntu, so.
Yeah, there you need to start with startWebLogic.sh. So we have both scripts here. See, we have startWebLogic.sh and .cmd. CMD is usually for Windows and sh is for Unix or Linux.
So we do not need to go to the directory from the command line in order to run that command, or we can just click from the graphical.
Yeah, it's same thing. Like you can do vice versa. So you can do that way as well, and you can do, if we do it from here, so it is automatically starting this command prompt and starting the admin server. Otherwise, like what we will need to do is we will need to fire up the command prompt, then manually go into this location and start it now. That
Oh,
will,
it's the same, right?
yeah, it's the same. Okay, so it's listening on local. Actually, I'm not using Node Manager right now because we already have a session for Node Manager in later sessions. So we will be like covering Node Manager in detail at that time. So right now we are like more focusing on the how, if like you don't have Node Manager, so you will have more detailed understanding how to operate without Node Manager, because you can easily manage your WebLogic without Node Manager. And in most of the scenarios you might be in more like practical
Oh,
situations, you will not be using Node Manager.
oh, okay.
The past experience. So usually you will be having some custom backup backend scripts in your Unix or Linux machine. So you will be starting from those particular scripts only.
So do we get to deploy the application too, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we right now we have only admin server here. Okay. So we will create a new managed server. So first we need to log our session and go into the edit state. And why we do that? So that another user will not be able to take a log and edit of the WebLogic configuration, because in that case there might be some you are also making the change, that guy is also making the change, so that will create some confusion or misconfiguration. So that's why when you log and edit, only you will be the whole sole configurator for this domain, unless the user is same. So that's why it's recommended you have different users for WebLogic. So currently I am logged in with the administrator account, but we can have as many as accounts as we want. Okay, so we will name it manage server 1. Listen address, since it is the same local host address, we can keep the same. And the port we can give as.
Can you write only the local host instead of the number in the listen address?
Yeah, that should also work. You can give that as well. Right now it is a standalone server, so we are not creating a new cluster, so we may do that in later when we go with the cluster part. So right now the admin managed server is created. Let's activate the changes. So all changes are activated. No restarts are necessary, so we don't need to restart anything.
Anuj,
Yeah.
on the, the server listen address, you put the IP number, right?
Right, right.
But I have a local host 7001 for the console. Like, do I put local host like Stardev said?
Yeah, you can also give that, and try one thing. See, It doesn't matter like what you put here, and so whatever you are putting here should be updated in your host file.
Host file is which one is host?
etc/host. Let me post. You can go and see that as well. You just cat this file, run this in your Ubuntu machine. You will see that your local host is mapped to some IP. So
Cat
even
etc host.
yeah, so you can give any name unless it maps to an IP in your etc host file. That means because whatever listen address I am giving here, if it is not an IP address, then it will go into your etc localhost file, etc host file, and it will check
What are that file located?
etc/hosts. Just
Like, do I have to go to the certain, like a location to and give that command, or just you can just do it from anywhere else?
you can just simply run this command cat etc hosts,
Well, I did, but it says no such file or directory.
and
Cat
you are
slash
doing this in your
etc.
local Ubuntu machine, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then go into your etc directory. Let's
Oh,
-lrt grep -i host and
CD etc.
yeah, can you paste me the output or last command?
Okay, give me one second. Cat. Last command.
Yeah.
Okay. It says I host. No, it's not doing nothing.
Let me give
I
you
guess I guess I have to go to the home directory and paste.
no, actually it should be in etc directory.
But let's yeah. Let me you give me a screen share.
Yeah, let me make you the presenter. Okay, Binod, can you share your screen?
Yeah. You see it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, right now. Okay. See, I copy paste this command. It's not doing nothing. Right now I'm in home. Before I was in best domain and I did that too. Before right I put cat etc/host.
Uh, can you go to cd etc? Actually,
cd
yeah, there is a yeah now etc. No, /etc.
okay.
You no. You need to give space between cd and etc.
Space.
Yeah, etc.
That's good.
Right.
Okay.
Now run the command which I gave ls-lrt grep-i host. Yeah, this is the second last file.
This one.
Yeah.
Oh, what do you want me to do with this?
Yeah, cat host.
Cat/host.
Yeah, cat. Cat is in
Space.
command to like display the file. Yeah, space host.
Oh.
No. You don't need to put the slash. Slash is for basically the path since it is
Oh,
inside
okay.
etc and we are already in etc.
So cat space
Space
host.
hosts. Yeah, hosts.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, press enter. See. So here your local host is mapped to localhost name and Zimba. So even if you name your managed server as Zimba,
Mm-hmm.
it will when you give Zimba in your IP address, so it will look
Uh-huh.
for that particular. It will see that okay, there's Zimba. What is the Zimba's IP? So it will resolve to
Oh.
that IP, and then it will connect to that IP and that port. But if
So,
like you give like your name in listen address like Binod, so it will go and check in etc host file that okay, Binod is not defined. So it will say that okay, cannot connect to Binod
okay,
like that. So
I got it. So
whatever
I
name
can
you
just.
provide, it should be updated in etc host file.
Mhm. What about the server listen port 7001? This is for console. So
Right.
can I use the
So
same one or no?
no, we cannot use the same. If you use the same, it will not be able to come up. When you
Okay.
start the managed server, it will not be able to come up because of the port conflict issue. It will say that port is already in use, so you can use some other port.
7060.
Yeah.
Okay, and then should this server belongs to a cluster?
No, right now we will not be using cluster. Later on we will be using that.
No, right?
Right.
Select a cluster. Yes, create a new cluster. No.
No. Just click next.
Next. Finished.
Yeah.
Okay. This is the one I just created, right?
Right.
So the color is different. This one is blue and this one, these are purple. You know why?
Yeah, actually that has nothing to do with the WebLogic.
Oh,
It is the same if you open like Google or search for something. If you have visited any link earlier in the past, its color will be
okay.
pink,
I got it.
else it will
Yeah.
be blue.
Mm-hmm. Okay,
So
you
you
said
have,
to activate.
yeah, activate the changes.
Anything else?
Yeah, now try to restart it. I think you have node manager, so you can start it from control. Go to control and start. Control tab. Yeah.
Start all?
No, just start the M1.
Oh, okay.
But we need to start the node manager first, yeah?
So I believe node manager
Well,
running.
let's see. On the other, I got a lot of managed server, right?
Yeah.
On the other, I have to start node manager, but this one I just created, so I don't know if I need a node manager. Let me start
No,
first.
but you have not assigned any machine to this, so it will not start. But
Oh,
try
okay.
try to start.
Okay,
See
let's see.
whatever it will give.
Yeah, it says I need to assign a machine.
Right, because to use node manager, you have to have a machine associated. So you can go into M1.
Okay, one. You want me to assign machine?
Right.
But this one is not in edit mode. Do I have to put in lock and edit mode?
Yeah, right.
But didn't you say that if we don't assign a machine, then we don't need a node manager?
Yeah, at that time you cannot start from console. You have to go through the command.
Right. So we
So
can,
what is
in this case, we will have to, if we do not want to install, use the node manager, we don't need to assign the machine, then we need to start the WebLogic from backend. We need
okay?
to
Let's do from backend. Since I already have a like a node manager for the other managed servers, I
right.
want to
So,
do this without a node manager.
okay, then you can release configuration.
Okay, release. Go to server. Okay, I want to do this, right?
Yep. Now
Do I have to go to there here?
yeah. Now go to your domain directory in terminal.
Mm,
The bin directory for your domain.
do I like press, like how do I know where I'm at right now?
You are at etc. So just
Control C?
no, just CD. Type command CD.
Okay.
It will go into your home directory.
Okay, now it's in home, okay.
Yeah. So I guess you
Let's
have
see.
WebLogic installed here and the domain also.
Yeah.
Okay, you can go into the domain.
I don't know what's so where do you want me to go?
User projects. User project is the
Oh,
like default directory which is created for domains, unless you have assigned like different directory while creation in the creation of domain. So by default, this is the default directory. So even I have like similar directory structure: user project, domains, base domain. Then you need to go into the bin directory.
Bin. Okay. Okay now?
Okay, now just stay here for a few seconds. I will make me presenter again.
Okay.
I will explain something, then you will be able to, you will be starting the WebLogic server.
Okay.
Okay, so so there are two steps to start the managed server. Okay, first is you can start using admin console if node manager is configured. You have already done it many times.
Yeah.
The second option is little bit tricky, but that is widely used, mostly used. So you need to go into domain bin directory, which you presently are. Then there is a script present there which is called startManagedWebLogic.sh. As per the name implies, it is used to start your managed WebLogic server. And this is the one script which is common for like all managed server. So what are the parameters for this script? There are only two parameters which you need to provide. Okay. So what are the two parameters? First parameter is your managed server name, and second parameter is your admin console URL. And why we are doing that? Because start managed WebLogic server like is designed in such a way that it asks for these two parameters. So you are specifying that okay, start this managed server, whatever name you provide, which is associated with the admin URL which you are providing in front of it. And why we are providing the admin URL? Because your managed server could be present at some remote location and it might not be knowing the admin URL. So you need to input the admin URL as a parameter. So it will connect to that particular admin server. It will grab the new information. So you need to be like quite careful what you provide here.
Admin URL means the admin server URL, the main one?
Right, which we have in the address bar, but you need to not provide full URL. I will explain like how much we need to provide.
Okay.
So what happens internally is when you run this above command for starting managed server, it calls the start WebLogic script. There is one script which we use to start admin server. So it calls the internally start WebLogic script with some parameters for managed server, and it also sets the environment variables by using set domain env.cmd where we have like set the custom arguments or custom parameters for our domain like memory arguments and JDK details. Okay, and after invoking this start WebLogic.script, it invokes the Java WebLogic server command which starts a Java virtual machine. JVM is Java virtual machine that is configured to run a WebLogic server instance. When the server successfully completes its startup process, it writes the following message to standard out. So it will write that server started in running mode when it has finished, when it is finishing its running process. Like there are many steps which happens when a WebLogic server restart. It will initiate the database connectivity, it will deploy applications, it will create JMS connection and all. So all those kind of stuff goes in, and that depends how much time your WebLogic managed server take to start. Okay, so I will give you presenting rights again, Vinod, so we can share it now. And we will try to restart using above script, which we discussed just now. Okay, Vinod, you are the presenter.
Okay, from here, just do the startManagedWebLogic.sh, right?
Right, / startManagedWebLogic.sh.
Use tab, buddies.
Huh?
M is in
Use
caps.
tab.
Hold on, give me 1 second. Okay.
Yeah, now the managed server name. What name you provided in the console? M1, I guess.
Oh, okay. Give me 1. Just right now? M1.
M1. No. Actually, see, since you already see, it is already giving you the how to run this command.
I got it. Okay. Server name M1 and space, right?
Space, then your admin URL, HTTP. You can copy it even from the address bar.
This one,
Can
right?
you use the T3 as well?
Yeah, you can use the T3 as well.
Is it admin URL is the localhost 7001 console, this one?
Only up to 7001.
Oh, okay. This one.
Right. Actually, we only need to provide IP and IP:port. You don't need anything else.
Okay, I got it.
Because it will connect to the port, it will like try to connect to that IP and port, so it doesn't need anything else.
Okay,
You
do I
can use
need
that slash as well. Yeah.
slash, right? Okay. Enter?
Yeah. So it will again ask, once it tries to restart, it will ask for WebLogic domain, username and password, whatever you have provided for WebLogic.
I believe this is the one.
What?
I think so. I'm not sure.
And password? Your password is WebLogic one?
That is the same credentials I gave.
It's like for rookie people, like what's your password? And that's their password is password.
Right. And WebLogic one is so common that even like I have like in previous projects, I have seen that even in the production we have like the same kind of credentials, WebLogic one.
Oh, now it's all running already.
Yeah, you can see that it has started in running mode in the logs.
Yeah.
If you go to the terminal, yeah, see it's started in running mode.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
So now actually we need to learn two more things, which are like practical things for here. So yeah, tell me.
Yeah, Anuj. Yeah. Okay. So I know now how to start a like a managed servers without a node manager, but like every time I log into a WebLogic and I want to run the like a managed server without a node manager, do I have to go to a terminal and then give the command that one?
No, actually. You can press
Like,
Control C now. So when you press Control C, it will shut down the manage
yeah.
server.
Oh, okay, okay.
So now we need to do two things. Okay, first we will set up the boot.properties file. So see, right now we are in an interactive mode where when you
Mm-hmm.
are starting, it is asking for username and password.
Yeah.
But you will not be always available to provide username and password in production
Yeah, yeah.
environments. So how
Mm-hmm.
you can troubleshoot that, how you can overcome that particular thing? Just go one directory back.
Okay. In this, inside the best domain?
Inside, go to servers directory, cd servers.
Or CD. Okay.
So here you will see that,
M1. These are
right,
my
go into
servers.
it, yeah, right, go into admin directory.
Logs.
No, 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 no. See, here we do not have a security directory as of now.
Uh-huh.
Uh, and you created some other managed servers as well, right?
Yes, I did.
And what was that?
ABC, Amit, these are the other managed servers.
Okay. Can you go into ABC once?
Okay. Oops. Okay. Let's see. Okay, I got security.
See, here you have a security folder as well. Can you go into
Mm-hmm.
security folder?
Oops. What happened? Did I do it?
LS.
It's not showing nothing.
It doesn't have anything. Okay.
Mm-mm.
Now go to our M1 folder.
Can I go M1 right from here, or I need to go back and then go inside again?
You need to go back and go into M1 then. Go back two directories and then slash M1.
I can do CD dot dot slash M1?
Right.
Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, let's do like this.
Okay. So now we need to create a directory here. MK dir
MKDIR.
security
Name? Oh, okay.
security.
Now?
Okay. Now vi boot dot properties. I posted
Do
in
I,
the chat as well.
I mean, do I have to go inside the security right now?
Yeah. Right. Go into security.
Okay, VI space
Boot
boot
dot
dot
properties.
okay.
Okay. Now you need to copy paste this.
Enter.
Yeah. Right.
Okay, enter. Now I'm inside the file. Like, do I need to write something?
Yeah.
Username.
Username equal to whatever the username we had for the logic and
Oh,
password equal to password.
oh, to make it in the like editable, I need to press I, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. What happened? One line less before 1 second ago.
You can press escape and then I again.
Escape I. Okay.
And now type username. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Username without space, without any space.
Oh, okay.
Equal to whatever the username.
For my username?
Yeah, WebLogic username and password.
Okay.
Now in the next line, password equal to the password.
Hey, your password, buddy.
Yeah, I think you had WebLogic one, right?
For me?
Yeah. The domain password basically, the credentials which we use to log into WebLogic console, that password.
Or does it have to be same, or I can give anything?
No, 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 no. It has to be same whatever we configured while configuring the domain.
Oh, okay, okay. Oops. Why is doing that?
Yeah, because you are not in edit mode. You can go into command mode and then delete the extra lines.
Uh,
Okay.
how do I do that?
Press escape
Escape.
and then press D twice. D button 2 times. Now you can with cursor go to 2 lines up above. Yeah, now again do the DD. Yeah, right. One more.
Okay.
Okay. Now delete this and update the password. Insert mode again.
It's not.
You can press again go into command mode, escape,
Escape. Okay.
then A. Press A.
A is for space.
A is for append. So it will append at the last word.
Oh, okay, okay,
Now give the
okay,
password.
okay.
Okay, now
Now,
save. Yeah, now save it.
escape.
Escape,
Uh-huh.
and colon
Q.
WQ.
Uh,
Right.
colon W, right?
Colon WQ. Right.
Q. Okay. It's not doing nothing.
Yeah, I guess you need to
Colon.
press escape and then colon WQ. Press
No.
escape,
Escape.
colon,
Colon.
shift and colon.
Oh yes, I'm not pressing shift. Colon. Shift. WQ. Okay.
Yeah.
Now
Okay,
let's see.
now go to your base domain.
Best domain.
Yeah, 3 directories
CD.
back.
Can't I do CD/best domain like this?
No, 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 because slash means your root directory, and root directory is like the first directory of your file system. So it will not be like that.
Okay.
Yeah, go into bin directory. Then the type history and grab the command which we used. Run the same
History.
command. Yeah, via history, or you can use the arrow key to go to the same command which
Or
we used earlier.
like this.
Yeah, we need to run the same command startManagedWebLogic.sh.
Okay, I got it.
Not this one.
Not this one?
Actually, it was after this one. You need to go back again.
So his server is already running, so he has to shut down first?
No, actually,
Oh,
it
I
was shut down when he pressed the Control C item.
Control
Okay.
C.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I didn't. Which one is it? This one?
Yeah, right, exactly. This is the one.
With the your server name and admin URL.
Yes.
Okay.
Here we have server name as M1 and we have the admin URL as well. So you can run this command now. And now it will run without asking for username and password. It will read the username and password from the file which we just created. See, it is saying that security initializing using this realm and it is reading the boot identity from boot.property files.
Oh, I got it.
And it is also saying that okay, storing boot identity in the file this. So now when you go into this security boot.property file, you will see that the username and password name have been encrypted by WebLogic.
Mm-hmm.
So it is as like a security feature of WebLogic. So it encrypts the username and password so that no one will be able to like look into the password of this your WebLogic easily.
So if I need to change the username and password of this console main,
Mm-hmm.
do I go to the same page that you just showed us?
No,
Like
you
for
will
this one,
need to change it from the WebLogic console actually. That we will be covering later. So that is in the plan.
Okay.
We will
Okay.
take it.
Okay. One more question.
Yeah.
See all this managed server.
Mm-hmm.
I have assigned a node manager to start, right? Every time I have to start the node manager because I have assigned a machine.
Yeah.
So if I want this, managed server to start without a node manager, what do I have to do? Take out the machine and do the
Right.
same thing, like
Right.
go to the lock and edit, and then
Yeah.
take out the
Update.
machine,
Yeah.
and then
Take out the machine
and then
and then you will need to restart it manually.
go to the terminal and then restart node manager, right?
Right.
Give the
And
path and everything.
similarly, you can do for M1 as well. You can set the machine and then it will start via the rule.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'm clear now. Thank you.
I have still one question.
Yeah, sure. So, it's okay.
So can you start the managed server from the command prompt if we already assigned the machine, or we have to check out the machine? I think we can start
Yeah.
the
We will
managed
be
server
able
without
to.
checking out.
Yeah, right. We will be able to do that anyway.
So Vinod, you do not need to check out the machine.
I
Right.
don't need to take out the machine?
No, just start the managed server from the same way you did, and they can start.
Right.
Oh, okay. So don't need to mess with the machine. Just leave it like that.
Yeah, you can leave it like that. No issues.
Okay.
Now we need to learn one more thing. Now again go to the command prompt.
Okay. Well, keep this machine running and I'll open the another tab.
No. Go into the same tab. See,
Okay.
yeah. See, now actually we have a dependency here that your terminal should be open all the time if you want to have a logic running. Okay.
Yeah.
But in production environment, the situation is you are on a server, and if you are running it like this, so as soon as you closes your session, your WebLogic will shut down.
Shut down. Yeah, true that.
Yeah. Now try to close this terminal. As soon as you close this terminal, your WebLogic will shut down.
Yeah. So,
So in production environment, but you are not always present at the system. So, but your system is always needs to be up and running for the users
run.
because users might be accessing apps at any time. So for
Exactly.
that, what we need to do is we need to have the WebLogic running in the background as a process.
Backend, yeah.
Currently, it is running in the foreground. Okay. So what we will do is we will create a sample script one simple script for our WebLogic managed server. So that we will be using for startup and stop. Okay. So do one thing, and for that particular reason as well, we have like updated boot properties always also, so that it will never ask username and password for from us. So it will be like completely without requiring any restriction or any instructions from users. We will be able to run the WebLogic. Now you can press again Control C.
Okay, it will shut down now.
Yeah, so that is the limitation of this mode. So you can always start this using this mode, but the only limitation is as soon as you log out the session or as soon as you close the session, you will be, your WebLogic will shut down. Your app will be unavailable and your users will be complaining that, okay, it's not working for us.
That's not good.
Yeah, that's not good. So we will create a sample script here. Using the arrow key, can you copy the command somewhere in some
Which one?
notepad? The command which we just ran.
This one, the same one with the server
Yeah,
name and then.
right. Just copy it into somewhere. Copy
Uh,
in some notepad.
how you select with the? I mean, arrow, using arrow.
Not with arrow. You need to select with your.
Mouse.
If you're on a laptop, then yeah, you need to click. Yeah, right, like this. Now right click and copy.
Okay. Now open the notepad. You mean
Yeah.
here, somewhere here?
You can press that first button, home button for Ubuntu. There you can search for Notepad.
Yeah, I already pressed the home button. Can you see my screen?
This is the home directory actually. There is a button just above the home button.
Oh,
No, no, not here. In the left bar,
left.
extreme left from where you opened.
This one?
At the topmost icon.
Yeah. Uh-huh. There's
Yeah.
like a
Now
search button, right?
here we have text editor.
Text editor, okay.
Right. Okay.
Save it?
No, no, it's fine. After 7001,
Mm-hmm.
after in space, given space and ampersand sign.
M. And
Yeah,
shift.
ampersand, shift and 7.
Oh, this one?
Right. No, only the single one. Yeah, you can. Yeah, perfect. So why we are giving this sign? This sign is an Unix specific argument basically. So whenever you put this ahead of a command, then it keeps it running in the background.
Oh, that this sign will do that, right?
Yeah. So this sign it says that okay, run this command in the background in Unix. So it will not be running in the foreground. So you don't need to press Control C or because. So we will see how it works. Now copy this line, full line. Yeah, Sahdev, you're saying
Okay.
something?
No.
Okay. Now go to
Okay,
terminal
let me
again.
make a note. Hold on. Supposed to do Control U, right? Underline. Alright, I was trying to do this command.
Yeah, it will run the command in background.
will make the what WebLogic.
Make the any process, you can run any process, not only WebLogic,
Oh,
it's Unix
make
specific
any process
to run in the background.
run in background.
Right,
Run in right.
right.
Okay, now go here and then put n%, right?
Yeah, there is one more thing which you need to do. Can you come here in the notepad itself? Yeah, before dot slash, write no hub.
No hub, like
No
no.
HUP.
Oh. Space or no space?
Yeah, one space.
Okay. Like,
Okay.
do we have to give one space every time?
Yeah, because it is also a Unix command. And why we are using no hub? So no hub is basically for, it is telling that, okay, don't hang up. Your process don't die when you log out the system. Process to remain up,
Process
not to hang up. Right.
hang up or process to remain running.
Yeah. Even if user logs out.
Logs out, right?
Yep.
Okay.
So this is used to, even actually the command name is itself says that no HUP. HUP is for hang up. So don't hang up. Even if the main process which has spawned this particular process dies, it remains up. So now just copy the first line. We have already copied. Going to the terminal.
Now
Yeah, going to terminal. Now do one thing. We will create a script. You can say, okay, vi. No. You can control C here.
what?
Yeah, press control C.
You don't want me to run this command?
Yeah, not now.
Okay, control C.
Actually, see, for this, like to run like in this way, we need to always remember this command, or we need to like note it down somewhere, then copy it from there every time. So we will not be doing that. We will be creating a custom script here, which will be calling WebLogic in this way. Okay.
Okay.
So you can create a new script, vi start m1 m1.sh
That's it?
.sh, yeah.
Okay.
Enter. Now paste the command which we
I?
copied here. Yeah, just escape and I, and you can paste. Shift insert will do also.
Oh, shift insert, okay.
It's
Shift
fine.
I, you mean?
Yeah. No. There is an insert keyboard button. You can press that. So that should also paste.
Oh, 1 second. No. Why I'm not? I can't be. Why? I cannot write anything. Right.
Because you are not in insert mode, I guess. First delete.
Okay.
You can go into escape mode, then delete this line and the first empty line.
Delete this.
Yeah, delete this empty line.
Okay.
Okay, now insert mode,
I
and shift and insert button.
shift and insert button. Okay.
Okay, I guess clipboard is empty, so you need to copy it again from the notepad. Can you
I
copy
need
it?
to. Oh, I copied already. You want me to paste?
No. See, when you click on anything in terminal, it copies into clipboard. So we might have clicked on some empty space, so that's why clipboard is empty now.
Oh, okay. Okay. So
So we
click
need
from
to,
here, notepad.
yeah.
So what is that insert button is?
There is an insert button on keyboard I and S. It should be somewhat near delete or home key.
Insert.
So,
Yeah.
So shift insert. That means ready
Yeah.
to.
First go into edit mode via I,
okay.
and then shift and insert.
Okay. Am I in the edit mode? How do I know?
You can always press escape and then I.
Escape and I. Okay.
Now paste it.
Okay. Right.
Hmm. Yeah, just remove the first space from the first. There is a space at the starting.
Mm-hmm. Oh man. Oops.
You can go via left arrow key.
Like we have
Yeah. Now you can no small n. Insert n. Yep. Now, yeah, perfect. Now just save it, escape, then shift colon WQ. No. Yeah, you can just escape and press U key.
But don't I have to? I mean, manage this.
Yeah.
See right here after N right here.
Yeah, you can I guess undo this as well. Just press escape key and then U button.
Escape and U.
Okay, actually it only undoes the last
Yeah.
action. Okay, so you need to manually delete after ampersand.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so in command mode, just with the arrow key go till the ampersand.
Oh, I can even go use the arrow. Or now I'll be able. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Now press the X key. Yeah, you already know that.
Oops.
Now A button.
A.
7001. Yeah. So 1 space ampersand.
Space. Okay.
Ampersand. Perfect. Now escape. We need to just save the file. And
shift colon.
right in WQ.
WQ.
So now we have a startup script ready. So like we have configured the managed server to start via script. Now we will just now do an LSF and LRT. So the only thing which is pending is we need to change the permission to executable. So you can change mode, ch mode, 755 start m1.sh space and
start
M1. Yeah, after 755 there will be a space.
Okay.
Start m1.sh. So we are basically giving proper permission to start m1.sh.
So 755 means what? 7 means a full authority?
Yeah, 7 means full permissions, read, write, execute.
And 5 means?
5 means only read and execute, no write permission.
Read and for the who? For us? For
See, there are 3 categories basically: user, groups, and others. So
okay,
user is us, group is in the same group, and others is apart from our group, because in Unix system you will be having multiple groups, multiple users, so that's why we keep it that way.
So this is us, user, right?
Yeah, this first 3 lines are for us. This is group.
Yeah. This is
Others. Yep.
So right now we have a read only.
Yeah, read and write means read is 4. You can note it down. RWX. So R is there is a value assigned for each. R is 4, W is 2, and X is 1. R is for read permission, W is for write, and X is for executable permission. Yeah, W is equal to 2 and X equal to 1. So if you are giving read, write, execute to everyone, then it will be 4 plus 2 plus 1. If we need to give only read permission, then it will be 4 only. If we need to give read, write, then it will be 6.
Oh, you have to add, huh?
Yeah, right. So when we say it's 7, then that means that particular user has read plus write plus execute. That is 7. And when you say 5, so for 5 we have given him the read and execute only. 4 plus 1, 5.
Okay.
We don't want that particular user to edit our scripts. So that user can only read the script and execute it. He cannot edit it.
Oh,
okay, so now run this.
Okay. Alice?
Yeah.
Okay.
See, it's executable now. Yeah. So now just // and run this script.
Yeah?
Right. You can press enter again. Yeah. It is out.
So no hop out, yeah, pending.
Yeah, because now the output of this command is going into nohub.out. Previously the output which we were seeing on our screen, that output is going into nohub.out. So you can tail this file, tail nohub.out. You can ls-lrt.
Okay.
See, you can now tail this output, tail nohub.out. No. TAIL. Tail.
Oh, sorry.
No issue.
Okay.
And use -F as well. Tail -F.
Oh, okay, sorry. Tail hyphen.
Tail space hyphen
Okay, space.
-F.
Hyphen. Which one is hyphen?
The minus sign. F. Yeah, just run it now.
Yeah.
Yeah, press enter. Okay, have you pressed enter? Okay, so it will show the output. So our server is in running mode now. So you can close this session. Even if you close your terminal, your WebLogic is up and running. There is no issues. It will keep up and running until you physically shut down the. Sorry. Yeah. So until you.
If I log out from the Weblogic.
Yeah, it will keep. It will be always available to user until you physically shut down this laptop or server. So until you physically shut down this machine, your WebLogic is up and running. It will be available to users.
Save. So even after I log out, it's going to be still running, right?
Yep, right.
Okay.
So previously we were in a situation when like we stop it when we stop this terminal, then it will shut down. But right now, like we have using Unix tools, we have made the process so that it will always keep in running in the background. It's not dependent on anything.
So I have one question on that.
Yeah.
So if we log out and the server is still running on the background, so if we want to open the console, then do we need to go to the terminal or just go to the console and we can see the managed server or admin server there?
Yeah, right. You can close the terminal and you can still see the status from the WebLogic console. You can just go to the console and it will show you up and running.
Okay, so that if we need to deploy something there, then we do not need to even open the terminal, am I right?
Yeah, it will keep running in the background. And usually we do the same process for like admin as well. So that like everything keeps, even like usually you just set it up in that way and you don't even like log into terminal for months. You only manage it via the console. So only time when you need to go to the terminal is to either like play some ER files or check the logs or restart WebLogic. So that is the only time when you will log into terminal.
So this is only for managed server right now we did, or it for all servers in that?
Yeah, it can be done for all server and if we are not using Node Manager, we should be doing it for all the servers even, including the admin.
So only one process can be done for all the managed server and admin server? We have to do it one at a time?
See, each managed server and admin server is a separate physical process. Each process runs with a different process ID. See, I will show you. You can go into the terminal. And where we have the from where you started the admin server?
Which, what do you mean, where?
From where you started the admin server? Like,
Go up?
this is for managed server. How you started the admin server initially? From other terminal session or via node agent, node manager?
Do you want me to go back to where I started the managed server, M1?
No. The admin server.
Admin server, when I log into my, admin server, I started with the .ss command, /start WebLogic command.
Okay, so that is like running with the same issue which we face for managed server.
So we have to do the
See,
same
I
thing for
guess
admin server.
this is your admin server. So can you press Control C here?
Okay. Yeah, this is the admin server, WebLogic server. And
Yeah, so this was your WebLogic admin server. So now can you quickly do the same thing what we did for managed server here as well?
yeah, I was gonna ask you the same thing because I'm kind of forgetting already.
Yeah, so that's why that.
Okay, just go back. I think let me see.
Into the bin directory.
Okay. Start this one, right?
Yeah, so first go to the copy this to the notepad.
This command?
Yeah, because this is what we need to run for admin. So copy it to notepad.
The same notepad I've opened. And that's not the one. What is it? You know, I just created that thing.
Can you go to notepad? Yeah. The same notepad which we used earlier.
Yeah, but I saved it as a command.
You can go to a new one.
Yeah, here it is, WebLogic command.
Right here. Okay, I got it. Okay.
So previous what we made was for managed server. Now we will be making for admin server. So you can write in front of that was for managed server, because there will be slight difference in admin command.
So it's going to be the /start WebLogic, right?
Yep.
.sh space admin server name, right?
No, because it is already the admin. It has everything it needs. It doesn't connect to anything for any information except the WebLogic managed servers for syncing purpose. So it is like the king. So it doesn't need to connect to anything. It is the administration. So it is already the administrator. So you can just put the ampersand sign in front of it.
In front or back? Behind?
Yeah. Yeah, sorry. And now in the starting, no hub.
Okay.
Okay. Now you can copy it.
Okay.
And create a similar script like how we created for start m1.sh. So
VI.
yeah, we will name it start admin.sh. So that doesn't like make any difference. You can name it whatever name you prefer
Oh, okay.
because it is
Admin.
our script. So we are creating it for our convenience.
Mm-hmm.
Now just copy the same thing. Go into insert put first. Yeah,
You got
perfect.
it? Just
Yeah,
save.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so we are done. Now you can restart the admin.
With the
Yeah,
command,
but
right?
before that we need to change the permission.
Oh, permission, yeah.
Yeah,
Tell.
chmod 755.
Oh, oh, my bad.
And
Space, start, right?
yeah, start admin.sh.
Okay. Now,
Yeah,
ls hyphen lrt, right? Let's see.
yeah. Now you can restart the admin server.
The command no hop, right?
No, only dot slash start admin.sh.
No.
You can always like press the tab. Tab should auto
Tab, yeah.
complete. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Why it's not picking up? Just last start and I don't know what's going on.
Okay, there is a typo in your command basically. The
Yeah.
L is capital. So you need to update your start admin.sh script. Press Control.
Where is the
Yeah, I
Control
will
C?
tell you. Go Control C, then vi start admin.sh.
Start admin. Okay.
Yeah, the L is capital.
This L.
Yeah, you can go to the L via arrow key. Now press R button. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that will also do.
Uh, R button.
No, 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 no. Now you just need to again escape and then insert I.
Okay. L. Capital L. Okay.
Right. Perfect.
Save, right?
Yeah, just save it. Come back. Run the same command again.
Start admin. Why is saying no hop? Pending.
Yeah, so it is now sending the standard output of this script to nohub.out. So just press enter. It will come out. Now tail hyphen F. Tail hyphen
F.
F. Tail TAIL.
Tail F, right?
Yeah.
F.
Nohub.out.
Enter.
Yep.
Yeah, Anuj, what does that mean? What is we are doing this tail hyphen F?
Yeah, let me tell you. Tail is like for tailing the output of any file.
What is it?
Yeah, and you can give any file name. File name.
File name.
Yeah, any file name you can give here, so it doesn't matter. So what
Just
tail?
file name.
Yeah. So you can, to know about any command, there is a very simple utility in Unix. You can just go back to the Unix prompt terminal.
Now this is running, right? So I can, even after I press Control C, it's gonna be still running, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
Now press Control C, you will come out. And okay, so now log into WebLogic console.
From here, you mean?
From the
Browser.
Google Chrome.
Yeah, it's not, it's kind of slow. I don't know why. This is already logging. Okay. It's already logging.
You are able to log in.
No, it's already logged in. You want me to log out first?
That session should be invalidated because we have restart. So you can press the refresh button from above. You can
Okay,
just
I got
press enter or refresh. It will ask for login. Because your previous session was closed when we restarted WebLogic.
Go to server or what?
Yeah. So when you go to server, you will see that your M1 server is still running. Okay.
So for all these other server, we have to do the same thing, right? Uh, just to make it refresh, go to the, this terminal, and then
Go to the bin directory.
Yeah, you can even just copy the same script which we created to all or other managed servers, and the only change which will be made in the script will be the managed server name, because every other detail is constant.
oh, okay.
See, though the
So
scripts will remain same for each and every server, only the managed server name will change, because
so
that
we
is the
gotta
yeah.
go here, and I'm understanding each and everything, right?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, but the thing is, I'm kind of confused, or like get stuck, like when I try to do by myself, like right now, like I'm kind of lost, like where should I go,
Yeah,
like I
sure, no
need
issue.
somebody, like holding my hand, and like I don't know, like it's not good thing, but I'm kind of like okay, can you like tell me one more time, like like if I want to start the no hop command for like suppose Amit, okay, even if the machine is associated, I mean assigned, I want to do the Amit server without any manager, I mean
Yeah.
node manager.
Yeah, we will do that right now. Just do one thing. Copy the start m1.sh file to another name. Okay. So we will copy
This
this
one,
file. Yeah. Just cp. Use the cp
okay,
command.
control C.
No. It will not work like that.
CP.
Cp is a command to copy one file from one file to another file.
Oh, okay, CP, okay,
Yeah. cp
start.
source file name is start m1.sh, and the destination file will be start abc.sh.
Okay, that's it.
Okay. Yeah. Now
No?
just ls-lrt.
Okay, I see abc.sh. Okay.
Now just go into start abc.sh. vi, you need to do vi.
Oh,
No,
okay.
no, 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 no. Yeah, it's not a directory, it's a file. So just vi
VI.
is, yeah, for editing this file, start abc.sh.
Oh, the tab is not okay. All right.
Yeah. Now
Just
the
change
only
right here.
thing which we need to change is the no hub directory will remain same, start manage WebLogic will remain same, admin URL will remain same. The only thing which will change is the manage server name. So our manage server name is ABC, right?
Mm-hmm.
It didn't came up fully, I guess.
I'm really confused in running this thing. Okay.
Yeah, I guess you can just go into Google and check for VI editor. So once you like
Mhm.
do some stuff in VI, so you will be like more familiar with the commands because VI takes some time
Yeah.
to like master.
Yeah, I know.
Like yeah, it's not like simple notepad, but once you like know how to work with this thing, you will find it like it's much better than the Windows notepad. You can like do things much faster. And you will love this
Really?
thing, like you will love it more than the Windows Notepad.
Okay, now I did everything. Like I just changed the
Yeah.
name.
So now we have configured the startup script for ABC managed server.
Mm-hmm.
Now just quit it, like save it.
Okay.
Now we need to change the permission to 755.
CS mode. Space the start ABC, right?
Yep.
Now tail.
Yeah. Now we will. It is currently down, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Well,
So we will just start it now. Dot slash start abc.sh.
well, it's not saying down. Currently down. It's not. It's saying nothing right now.
Can you go into console once?
Yeah, console it is down, man.
See,
Oh,
it is
shut
shut
down.
down.
Okay, I got it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Now dot slash start
Appending
abc.sh.
hard.
Now just tail this
No hub.
file. Yeah, now tail this file nohub.out. Press enter, it will come out.
Okay. No
Now,
hub.
tail, you need to tail. Yeah. Tail nohub.out.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's like a three process. Like the first is CH mode, right?
Yeah, ch mode is
Like
because we need to give it executable permission. Otherwise it will not be, we will not be able to execute it.
okay, and after that we do
We are seeing the logs that is there any error coming in the logs or it is coming up fine. So that's why we
mhm.
use tail is in command. It shows you last 10 lines of any file.
Oh, okay.
So if you want to see more than 10 lines, then you need to give like tail hyphen 100.
Oh, okay.
So you can give it like this. So tail hyphen 100 nohub dot out.
Kill.
I posted in the chat.
All right. Sorry about that. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. No issues.
Say it again, Anuj.
Yeah, I have posted in the chat the last command.
Uh-huh.
This,
Tell us 100.
yeah, so it will show us the 100 lines of no hub.out file.
Mm-hmm.
So tail is like the last to seeing the last lines.
Yeah. So this is just to see the lines. This is not a command, right?
Yeah, it is just for like seeing the output of file. It is not executing anything. It is not making any change. It is not doing any much. Just press enter.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
It says
And
change
any
to
idea why it
force
is
static.
shutting down?
Uh,
See, you can even troubleshoot this right away. Just go up little bit in the logs.
go up.
Yeah, just go a little bit up. Just scroll up in the terminal.
Okay. Okay,
See,
hold on. This is the end. Okay.
see the error is authentication is denied.
Let's see. What is it?
See, the error
Which?
is authentication failed. User and password not supplied because we have not
Oh
created
yeah.
boot.properties.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Previously, when you were starting with Node Manager was passing the username and password to it. But whenever we are starting it without Node Manager, it will ask for username password from us. But since it is running in the background via script, we need to update the boot.properties file. So again, go to this server directory ABC.
Okay. Okay. Go to boot.properties. You said.
Yeah, we need to create boot.property file for this server.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Control C, right?
Yeah, Control C. Into the domain folder, there will be a servers directory. Inside that, go to ABC directory,
Domain. Okay.
base domain, CD base domain.
Bean, right?
No, servers.
Server.
Oh. Uh, okay. Let's see. Okay. Server.
Right. So inside ABC,
Mm-hmm.
now,
Security, right?
yeah, here we have already the security folder is already created by Node Manager. So we can go into security. And create the vi boot.property file.
Properties.
Right.
Okay.
Now
Username,
we
right?
need to, yeah, username equal to username and password equal to the domain password.
So
No,
how
no,
come the use?
yeah,
Yeah.
WebLogic, I guess.
Oh, my bad. Yeah, I was gonna ask that question. Yeah,
Escape and A.
I think I need to practice this a lot.
Yeah, you will need to practice a little bit actually. You can
Yeah.
download, there is a, if you Google for VI editor commands, you will find a decent command chart. So you can paste it somewhere where you can like look into the commands that will be like very helpful.
That's kind of making
Even
me.
because I learned it that way as well. I had that VI editor command list in front of like my computer always, because like initially it is very hard to like learn VI.
Yeah, it is. Right now, I can even take this cursor to this after equals.
Yeah, yeah. You need to press A.
A.
A is for append.
Weblogic. Okay. Okay.
And you know, I used to hate this so much that I wish that why Unix don't have a simple editor like Notepad, Windows Notepad.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, now you can save it.
Now.
Yeah, now you can just run the go into the domain bin directory. Three directories back, then bin. So you can cd three directories back.
One. You said one directly.
No, three directories.
3.
Now two.
Okay.
/bin cd bin.
CD bin. Okay. Dot. Right.
/start abc.sh.
No hop.
Yep. Now press enter again, so it will come out. And tail nohub.out. Tail the
You said
output.
tail.
Yeah. Tail. Yeah. Tail nohub.out.
Tail.
Tail nohub.out.
Space.
Yeah. Just press enter.
Oh.
See, it is now in running mode. So you can go to console.
Refresh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I think this is very useful in our like real-time life in the work time.
Yeah, this is really useful, and usually you will find that it is done this way only in most of the like
Oh,
real-time projects.
yeah, because the other way, I know how to do it and it's not that hard. And this way, I know it's not that hard if I keep practicing, but
Yeah.
like I keep forgetting the process, you know, like there's like a step, like the first step you gotta do this and second step you gotta do that. So if I remember that, I think I can do it.
Yeah, so basically like concept wise we just need to create an startup script. So the steps are
Yeah.
like straightforward, and
Maybe we need to write the step right here, if it's okay with you.
yeah, sure.
Step to start the start the server.
Yeah.
Okay, so what's the first step?
Go into WebLogic home, then domain.
Then domain.
Yeah, domain bin directory.
Domain.
Bin directory. bin.
Okay.
So you can include your domain bin directory here as an example.
Mm-hmm. Example. Okay.
You can paste the domain bin directory here from the terminal.
Which one?
Go to the terminal.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have the domain bin here. But going to the last, we have in the last as well. Yeah.
Last means on the down on the bottom.
Yeah, we have it right here, so we can use that.
Where?
Yeah,
Which
it's
one?
yeah, in the last. From
This
Oracle
one?
till last. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It is already copied. You can paste it.
Oh,
No need
really?
to copy.
Okay.
You need to put a slash just before the Oracle. Yeah. So this is like the example path from the Oracle middleware home user project domain, your domain name, and then the bin directory. So bin is where like all the executable files are present, where you create your new scripts for WebLogic.
Mm-hmm.
So
Uh-huh,
that's how.
this one.
Yeah. Now
Mm-hmm.
second step will be to create an
Create.
script for, yeah, create manage server startup script.
Okay.
So you can say vi
Say example. Vi
start ms.sh
ms.
dot sh.
What is ms?
Ms you
Just the
can
name?
say your managed server.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay, so ms we
Start
usually
ms.
we use for abbreviation for managed server.
Oh,
So
okay.
whatever is your ms name you can put it here, abc or xyz.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
So
okay.
and inside this we put the above command.
Which command?
The second command, no hub start manage weblogic.sh.
No, no hub.
Yeah, you can
Space.
copy it from the above. Yeah.
From where? Oh, this one.
Yeah, the second line. No, no,
Or
no.
this?
The below this one. Yeah,
Yeah.
because this is for manage WebLogic.
Mm-hmm.
And instead of M1, you can write MS there. So whatever is your managed server name, you can put it here.
Okay.
Okay. So now third step will be chmod above script name.
Yes,
Chmod
more
755
and
start ms.sh. So it will give the executable command or executable rights to your script.
uh, give the
Executable permission to your script.
okay.
So
What?
now we just need to run the same. So dot
Dash
slash,
dash
yeah,
start
start ms.sh.
ms dash sh. Now 5, right?
Yeah, fifth is for even you can do that in different section. You can just copy paste all this.
The copy paste or whatever we've done it.
Yeah,
Till
all
4,
the
number 4.
steps from where like step to start the server till fourth.
Okay.
Now paste it below.
Paste in the 5.
No, just go next, new line.
Like here
Yeah,
after 4 or
no, no, no. After in the new line, we need to put a few more lines. Enter,
few,
press enter.
few more. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, now paste it.
Over right here. You want me to paste right here?
No, in the below. Yeah.
Below 5 or above 5?
You can delete the 5.
Okay.
Yeah, now paste
Okay.
it. Yeah. In the top, write that step to start the admin server.
Here.
Yeah. Step to start admin server.
Like, do we have to make like a abbreviation like a capital, S capital, or doesn't matter?
No, actually, that doesn't matter.
Okay.
So for this, step 1 remain the same. For second step, you can, for managed, you can write admin.
Where?
In the second step, yeah, right here. Or
Okay.
instead of managed, write admin there.
Admin 2, right?
Yeah, vi start admin.sh, and the command will be the first command which we have written in the book.
You want me to change the here to admin?
The whole command will change. You can just copy paste from the first line. First line at the top.
For this one?
Yeah, exactly. Just replace the whole command with this one.
From where?
Yeah, from no hub to last. Yeah, whole needs to be replaced.
That's it, right?
Yep.
This is
Change
to
mode.
start a WebLogic.
Yeah, perfect. And change mode 755 will be your start admin.sh.
Okay.
Then yeah, same here. Start admin.sh. So this is like for admin server and above is for managed server. So admin server you need to do it only one time, and for managed server you need to do it for all the managed servers.
Where is the one we have to use our username and password?
Yeah, that will be different one. So you can write yeah, just below it, press a few enter. Yeah, setting up boot.property. Yeah, so for this step 1 will be go to server directory. And you can place the server directory from your terminal.
From, let's see, do this.
Yeah, inside base domain there will be servers.
Server, CD.
Yeah, CD servers.
Okay, so just copy till here.
Yep.
Okay.
Step number 2. Go to the server for which we want to change the boot.properties.
Okay.
So example you can write like cd m1.
CD?
M1 example which we created earlier.
Oh, the.
Yeah. Step 3 will be to create a directory mkdir security.
Okay. Okay. If we don't have a security, right?
Right.
CDM1 and step 3 is to create
MKDIR security.
Security only if we
doesn't
don't have it.
exist. Yeah.
Okay.
Step 4 will be to create vi dot properties.
So in the MKDIR, oh, we need to create VI, right?
Yeah.
VI boot properties.
Yeah. You can even mention that okay, CD to security and then vi boot dot properties. Because we need to go into security directory. There only we need to make the change.
Oh, hold on. You said what? CD2 security
Yeah.
slash VI boot properties?
Yeah.
That's a command, right?
You can like, yeah, CD security you can write here.
See?
Security.
Space?
No, it's fine. Next step in we are using vi boot.properties. So we are creating the properties file.
Okay. And inside
And what?
this?
Yeah, inside this we need to input this, which I already. You can copy it from the chat. Username equal to username and password equal to WebLogic password.
Okay. All right.
You can put both on the new line, so it will not make any confusion.
Oh, yeah. That's good.
Password needs to be new line, right? And you
Username
can,
equals to WebLogic, right?
yeah, WebLogic console admin
Password
username
is
and password.
WebLogic. Password. Same. Right?
Yep.
Okay.
So that's like how we have set up the boot properties so that WebLogic does not ask you any password while starting up. So you don't have to present at your server when it is coming up to input the password. After which we created some scripts so that your WebLogic will not shut down when you close your terminal session or when you log out from your Ubuntu machine. So since we have started that in no hub and ampersand mode, so it is running in the background it in no hang up mode, so that even if you log out from your this machine,
WebLogic.
yeah, the WebLogic will keep running.
So even if we shut down this machine and turn off the whole machine, it will keep running?
No, because see that requires power. If you turn off the power, then everything is down on this machine. Nothing is running.
Oh, okay.
So it
So
will
like
keep.
when we work in a real-time job, like suppose we get our own laptop or computer, and for that, like any application we deploy in the server, we just do it like this, so that we don't have to, start and do it again and again.
Yeah, because
So
those servers are not, they are in some remote location. They will be in some data center. So they are dedicated data center for the servers, like which have the perfect cooling conditions. and they keep running for like years and years. Even like we have some servers which are continuously running for like more than 300 days or 600 days. So they keep running and running without restarting. They never like, they restart only when the user wants them to restart.
Oh, okay. So even if we turn off our computer or shut down our computer, the application will keep running.
Yeah, because that is running on the server, which is on some different location. So we just connect it from our laptop. So we SSH to that particular server. Then we restart the WebLogic there, or we stop the WebLogic there. We troubleshoot the logs. We see the log. We create boot.property file. We create the startup scripts and all. We do all sort of operations there.
Uh-huh. Oh, okay.
So that's how it works in like real time. And this was like quite important because we understood like how it works internally, like how the script works internally, and what we need to do for the script so that it can run in the background without requiring the user to sit up every time there.
Yeah.
Because even I have seen in my experiences in like, so when I joined in the project, I found out that okay, so they were using the same method which you were initially using, and they were facing this issue that okay, whenever the user laptop, like whenever he closes his session on the server, the WebLogic was going down. So that was a big problem for them. And then we had to
Oh.
like suggest them that okay, this was the silly mistake you were doing, and this is the way
Uh-huh.
you should be doing it.
So does that like comes in a tuning of the machine or the tuning of the application or troubleshoot, something like that topic? Does that relate it? Like so the the silly mistake that they've been doing all this time, and without creating all these no hop command.
Yeah, you can actually attribute to the lack of like they were like not knowing the Unix specifics, so they were not sure of this no hub command, and they were like not they were not knowing the what is why we use boot.properties file.
Uh,
So,
so
but
they weren't asking a lot of questions like me.
yeah, actually they didn't have that much training, so they were just in the company and okay, company asked, okay, I want this is my application, just deploy it in WebLogic. So somehow like they got the WebLogic installed and they installed the application. So it was just like sort of like you can say temporary arrangement which they had.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's why I just don't want to go to a company and work for somebody and I don't know nothing.
Yeah, so if we have prior experience or like we know all the nifty things like which will be like quite helpful in day-to-day work. So this is like
Yeah.
mostly which you will be having like because on the daily basis or you might be restarting some of the applications or you might be seeing the logs, you need to check the no hub logs to see the issues. So that
Mm.
kind of operations you will be doing like almost on the daily basis.
Uh,
Because like restart is the basic thing which you
yeah.
have to like do. So
Do it,
in
yeah, all
case
the
of
time.
any issues, you need to restart, and if we have the scripts with us, then we can like restart it quickly.
Hmm. Okay. So like now I understood. I believe I do I have to do something else after this, giving username and password.
No, we are done. We just need to save this file and we need to exit. So we are set up with the booter properties and we have set up scripts as well. So we can just run the
Don't
server.
we have to execute this username and password so you won't like ask again and again? Like don't we
No,
have a
no, actually,
command?
once you VI bootload properties and you have already like set it up. So once you start the manage server or admin
Mm-hmm.
server, it will read the username and password from this file only.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. No need
Now just
command. Like,
yeah, go to servers in the terminal.
okay.
See,
One
go to
step
security
back.
folder. Go to some
go
manage
to.
server. Now go to security folder.
Why my tab is not ready?
Yeah, because you missed an C.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, I was pressing tab. Okay.
Now cat this file. Cat is for displaying whole file.
Mm-hmm.
cat cat
Tabs.
and boot.properties. Yep. See, we updated it with some different values, but now here we have some different values, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what happened is, like, when we restarted the managed server,
Mm-hmm.
it encrypts, it reads the username password from this file only, and the
Yeah.
first time when it reads, because the username password which we provided was clear text, so anyone can read it, right?
Yeah.
And for security purpose it should be encrypted.
Encrypted. Yeah.
So WebLogic server automatically, that is a feature of WebLogic server. It reads the boot.properties file, and in the first run it encrypts the username and password, which cannot be like decrypted.
Mm-hmm.
So that is like security feature. So once you are done with the, so now no one knows what is the username and password with which WebLogic is starting, because that is
Yeah.
something, that is a secret which we need to keep, right?
Mm-hmm.
No one else should be able to get the username and password, because that is critical for some applications as well.
Yeah. But once we forget the username and password, can we rechange access the password and username back again?
Yeah, actually, but mostly like it's in some cases it is not possible. That depends on the complexity of the password, and there is no official method for that. So you will need to have some, download some specialized scripts from Google, and with which like you can encrypt, like decrypt the password.
We have to decrypt.
Yeah, but
We
like
cannot just have.
there is no
Mhm.
official way for that actually. So
We can just have a different username and password since we forget the password and username. Can we have
yeah,
a different?
but you will not be able to log in into WebLogic console if you have forgot the password, right?
Oh yeah,
So how will you change it?
yeah.
So that's not like officially it is not possible. So they will only recommend to like recreate the domain, or like have multiple users with you all the time, so that even if you forgot the password of one user, at least you have some other second user with which you can create more users, or have a password reset for the another user.
Oh, okay. I got it.
But if you have only single user, then even if you like input the password for like 3 to 4 times incorrectly, it will lock the account for 30 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
So if you input your WebLogic password wrong 5 times, it
Mm-hmm.
will lock your account for 30 minutes. So you will not be able to log in with the same account with the into the WebLogic console for 30 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I guess we have covered pretty much for today, and we have some like most of the like practical stuff today. So
Yeah. So these are the like a step for to start the admin manage server and admin server, right?
yep, this was for managed server, and below is for
Admin
admin server.
server and
And
to
it's
set up
better
username and
like if we
password.
have boot.properties, you can put it just before the start managed server, because that is the
Mhm.
first step which we do before like updating the scripts.
So this whole step
Needs to be done before step to start managed
before
server.
here,
Yep.
right here, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And after setting the boot properties, first we need to create the script for admin server, because that is the first server which we create. So you can
This goes.
down in the last.
All right. Right.
Yeah. So this is the correct sequence now.
Okay. Now I can, even if I forget, I don't have to ask you again and again. I can just look at it and then I can practice.
Yeah, sure. We will be doing much
Yeah.
more
Yeah.
also.
Yeah.
We will be having like notes for that as well.
Well, yeah, I learned a lot of things today. Thank you so much, Anish.
Yeah, sure. So we will be having such sessions regularly, and we will be learning more things as well.
Yeah.
It's not in the system.
Let me get 12 ounce right there.
Please. I think I have right here. Hello?
Yeah.
Do we have a class tomorrow?
Uh, I guess we can have a session tomorrow as well if you guys are free.
No, actually,
Well,
Saturday and Sunday I won't be able to
Yeah, he's
take a
gonna
class.
be working.
Okay, so and
But
Sunday I guess we will be having an off, so probably we will meet.
me and Sadeb is free, but Amit is working on Saturday and Sunday, and I work on Thursday, so I won't be able to take a class on Thursday. But I can take a class Saturday, and I can teach Amit. Amit, what do you think?
I don't know, because Monday to Friday clear होंगे ना? I mean, that's fine.
Monday to Friday is good too. Like for Thursday session, you think like I can you can give me some time for Thursday session?
Some time means I didn't get that.
Like I mean like a Thursday I would be missing class, right?
Yeah.
So can you give me like on Saturday? Just like for 1 hour, not like 2 hours
That's
long.
Yeah, what we can do is you can go through the recording and then you can ask me the question.
On Saturday?
Yeah, or probably on, you can say, see, you will not be available on Thursday, right? So
Yeah.
what you can do is you can, on Friday, before joining the session, you can go through the recording, right?
Mm-hmm.
And
Yeah.
then once we, like on Friday when we disengage, then we can have half an hour session with you and you can ask your queries and all. So I can explain that.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have a lot of questions. You know that, right?
Yeah, yeah. You're the most attentive.
Yeah. Okay.
And that's good as well, because if you have more questions, then we will be having like more learning.
Yeah. The reason I'm asking a lot of questions is I don't wanna go to work and do nothing. Just sit there and I just get fired.
Yeah. No, that will not be the case. You have learned most of the stuff is like people learn in like around after 6 months in the like job.
Okay, go ahead.
That's really good. Yeah, I want to learn more. Like I got a lot of requirement from the like the people that ask you for a job, but the thing is they're asking a lot of stuff like that I don't know. Like, and I'm really trying to learn a lot of stuff. I don't know if you can help me. Like I was telling you, I got a lot of requirement for like Tomcat and stuff like that.
Okay.
So maybe I'll ask her later. Question.
Yeah, sure.
So yeah, for this, well, I don't have question no more. But if I have, I'll ask you like next class.
Yeah, sure. We can have the questions in the next session as well if any queries you have.
Yeah, but
So-
yeah, go ahead, sir.
So we have class on Monday then, yes?
Uh, I'm not sure. Usually, do we have the sessions on Saturdays as well?
Saturdays?
No,
Yeah,
Saturday I
tomorrow
think
is
the Amit.
Saturday. I guess Amit would not
Okay.
be available, right?
Yeah.
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 Okay, I guess you can then learn about the previous sessions and I guess oh let me check with Shripal if he can have a session tomorrow as well because he's the admin and coordinator.
I know we'll have a class, like we have class from Monday through Friday. That's for sure. Because the Sripal,
Okay, so Shripal said that Monday to Friday.
yes, Monday to Friday, but like since I can't take on Thursday, I was just wondering if you would help me on Saturday for like 30 to 1 hour,
Mm,
But if you can't, then I can ask on Friday before our class
yeah,
starts.
because that will be good because that will be in continuation and so you will be free on
Okay.
Saturdays as well and we will be
Okay.
having like we can extend to 1 hour as well if needed or but 30
Okay.
minutes should be good I guess
Okay.
if you go through the session so it should not take much time.
अझै
So
नुन बढी हुन्छ
what time you want me to
नुन नभएको पनि
get on the, like online on Friday?
ओहो कति अर्सा खोइ
You can come online on the same time but we can extend till like
Oh, okay. Okay, I got it.
after like a session when the session ends we can extend for like half an hour
Okay.
or some more
Okay.
time for the queries.
So you'll be uploading this video, right?
Yeah.
Because I didn't get a chance to watch the full, class, attend the full class, and then
Yeah, is this
I'm
Amit?
going through the video recording, and then I'll ask you a question on Monday.
Yeah, sure. You're totally.
And then this is for the Unix platform, right? What about the Windows? Like in the real time, what are the we use Windows more or the Unix, Unix operating system more?
Usually it's a like combination, so but most of the time it will be Unix because it's more cheaper than the Windows. So only in exceptional cases you will be using WebLogic on Windows, but mostly it's Unix only.
But we also need to learn for Windows too, right? The commands is gonna
Yeah,
be same.
yeah.
Or
Windows also it's
the
the
process.
same, and even I am all the examples I am giving is on Windows, so we are covering both.
Okay.
So if you go to the session, then you will see that like how we were like starting or use which scripts we were using on the Windows. That has
So this
already.
video will be available all the time, right? After
Yeah.
you upload it. Okay.
And do you have the links from where you can download the video or see the video?
या
The Sripal sent us one link, but it has only 2 videos. So I guess after you upload to this, we can see it over there.
Yeah, try to see.
अलरेडी फ्री
It has now 3 videos.
Yeah.
यो सबै लेखेको अहिले म इमेलमा सेन्ड गरिदिन्छु त्यो नोटप्याडमा लेखेँ
म चाहिँ सेन्ड गरिदिन्छु ल म तिमीलाई
So we have like 3 sessions and all the 3
मैले
sessions
खासै
are
लिनु
uploaded
खासै
there.
मलाई बुझाऊ है
ल
Okay guys, so we have all the 3 sessions and I will be uploading because it takes some time to process the video, so video should be available by tonight basically you can say. or tomorrow morning, by definitely it will be available for today's session.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so we will meet on Monday then,
Yeah.
same time.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, thanks for joining in.
Yes, our Monday, right? Like us in India, it's I mean it's Friday here, so after 2 days.
Yes,
Okay.
your Monday, same time.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Okay, honest. Thank you so much.
yeah,
Have a
you
good
guys have
night,
a
I
great
guess.
weekend. Thanks for joining.
Okay.
Bye
Okay,
bye.
thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.